नमस्ते नमस्कार एकचोटि फेरि वेलकम गर्दछु यहाँहरूलाई मेडिकल विथ सन्जुमा। नेपाल नर्सिङ काउन्सिल बेस्ट मोडल एक्जाम सेट 14 हेर्दै थियौँ हामी। क्वेशन नम्बर 76 legal abortion in Nepal is allowed up to option A 8 weeks of gestation, option B 10 weeks of gestation, option C 12 weeks of gestation and option D 16 weeks of gestation. Generally, abortion भनेको हुन्छ termination of pregnancy before 22 week of gestation. र WHO को अनुसार abortion is the expulsion or extraction of an embryo or fetus from its mother weighing 500 gram or less when it is not capable of independent survival. इसको different reason हुन सक्छ abortion को, like genetic factor, endocrine and the metabolic factor, anatomical abnormalities, infection, immunological disorders, maternal medical illness, blood group incompatibility, premature rupture of membrane, environmental factor. र हाम्रो नेपालमा लिगल गरेको छ एबोर्सन 12 weeks of gestation सम्मलाई। ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 Viagra is the trade name for option A Sildenafil, atorvastatin, option C lidocaine, option D नाइट्रोग्लिसरीन। यसको आन्सर ऑप्शन ए हुन्छ सिल्डेनाफिल। एक्चुअलीमा यहाँ सिल्डेनाफिल हुन्छ, यहाँ चाहिँ मिस्टेक दिएको छ, स्पेलिङ चाहिँ मिस्टेक दिएको छ। Viagra इज अ ड्रग युज टु ट्रिट इरेक्टाइल डिस्फङ्क्सन। यसले के गर्छ, पेनिसको मसललाई स्मुथ गर्छ, रिल्याक्स पार्छ। क्वेशन नम्बर 78 Which of the following vitamin is antioxidant? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin D and option D vitamin E. Antioxidant vitamin E हुन्छ, option D is the right answer. Question number 79 In which of the following organ diminution of protein takes place? Option A kidney, option B liver, option C pancreas and option D intestine. The right answer is option B liver. Question number 80 Cystitis is the inflammation of option A kidney, option B gallbladder, option C stomach and option D urinary bladder. Cystitis is the inflammation of urinary bladder. Option D is the right answer. The inflammation of gallbladder is known as cholecystitis and inflammation of stomach is known as gastritis and inflammation of kidney is known as glomerulonephritis. Question number 81 What is the approximate length of esophagus in an adult human being? Option A 25 cm, option B 30 cm, option C 35 cm and option D 40 cm. The length of esophagus is 25 cm. Option A is the right answer. Question number 82. All of the following compounds are the constituents of oral rehydration therapy except option A sodium chloride, option B potassium chloride, option C tripotassium citrate, composition of ORS हुन्छ potassium chloride 1.5 gram, sodium chloride 2.6 gram, trisodium citrate 2.9 gram and glucose 13.5 gram हुन्छ। यसमा चाहिँ KHCO3 option C हुँदैन। Question number 83 Which of the following is transmitted by sandfly? Option A कालाजार, option B typhus, option C typhoid and option D cholera. Kala-jar is transmitted by sandflies. Option A is the right answer. Question number 84. A newly born baby up to the age of 28 days is called option A toddler, option B infant, option C neonate and option D child. A newly born baby up to the age of 28 days is called neonate. Option C is the right answer. 1 year like infant, 1 to 3 years like toddler, 3 to 6 years like preschooler, 6 to 12 विक्सलाई स्कुलर एज, 12 to 19 इयर्सलाई एडोलेसेन्स एज, 20 to 30 इयर्सलाई इयरली एडल्टहुड, 30 to 65 इयर्सलाई मिडल एडल्टहुड एन्ड 65 to till death लाई ओल्ड एज मानिन्छ। क्वेश्चन नम्बर 85, the most common cause of cirrhosis of liver in Nepal is due to option A smoking, option B jaundice, option C alcoholism, and option D drugs. The most common cause of cirrhosis of liver in Nepal is alcoholism. Option C is the right answer. Question number 86. In adult humans, trachea bifurcates at the level of ... thoracic vertebra. Option A, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. The right answer is option A. 5th level मा हुन्छ। एरोटा T12 मा हुन्छ, भेनिकावा T8 मा हुन्छ, इसोफेगस T10 मा हुन्छ, थाइराइड ग्ल्यान्ड C5 to T1 मा हुन्छ, रेट्रोपेरिटोनियल अर्गान दैट मीन्स किडनी T12 to L3 मा हुन्छ, फेर्निक्स बेस अफ स्कल to C6 मा हुन्छ, ल्यार्निक्स C3 to C6 मा हुन्छ, स्पाइनल कोड C1 to L1 हुन्छ। क्वेश्चन नम्बर 87, which of the following pigment is commonly present in skin? Option A, hemosiderin, option B, calcium, option C, melanin, and option D, carbon. स्किन मा मेलानिन पिगमेन्ट प्रेजेन्ट भएको हुन्छ, यसले चाहिँ कलर दिन्छ स्किन को। क्वेश्चन नम्बर 88, रिङवर्म इज ऑप्शन ए कैन्डिडियासिस, ऑप्शन बी क्रिप्टोकोकोसिस, ऑप्शन सी हिस्टोप्लाज्मोसिस, एंड ऑप्शन डी डर्माटोफाइटोसिस। रिंगवर्म is dermatophytosis. Option D is right answer. Question number 89. The life of a sperm is usually option A 1 day, option B 2 days, option C 3 days, and option D 4 days. The life of a sperm is usually 2 days. Option B is the right answer. Question number 90. The substance which is used to prevent the growth of microorganism is called option A disinfectant, option B sterilizer, option C antibiotic, and option D antiseptic. यसको आन्सर में एंटीबायोटिक र एंटीसेप्टिक दुईटै हुन सक्छ, तर दुईटैमा मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंटीसेप्टिक। सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. पोस्टेरियर refers to option A front, option B back, option C lateral, and option D midline. पोस्टेरियर refers to back and frontal लाई interior भन्छ। Question number 92. A client with right lower lobe pneumonia is orders chest percussions and postural drainage. When performing percussions and postural drainage, the nurse should position the client in option A semi-flowers positions with the knee bent, option B right side lying with the foot of the bed elevated, option C prone or supine with the foot of the bed elevated higher than the head, option D bent at the wrist leaning slightly forward. The right answer is option C prone or supine with the foot of the bed elevated higher than the head. Option C is the right answer. Question number 93. A client has a chronic bronchitis. The nurse is teaching his breathing exercise. Which instructions should the nurse include in the teaching? Option A make inhalation longer than exhalation, option B exhale through an open mouth, option C use diaphragmatic breathing, and option D use chest breathing. एयरवे क्लियर गर्नको लागि सबभन्दा बेस्ट हुन्छ डायफ्राग्मेटिक ब्रीदिंग। ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. A client experiencing acute respiratory failures will most likely demonstrate option A hypocapnia, hypoventilation, hyperoxemia, option B hypocapnia, hyperventilation, hyperoxemia, option C hypercapnia, hyperventilation, hypoxemia. Option D, hypercapnia, hypoventilation and hypoxemia. यसको राइट आन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन डी, hypercapnia, hypoventilation and hypoxemia. Question number 95. Which of the following risk factors for coronary artery disease cannot be corrected? Option A, cigarette smoking, diabetes mellitus, heredity and hypertension. कुनलाई चाहिँ करेक्ट गर्न सक्दैन, कुन रिस्क फ्याक्टरलाई? हेरिडिटीलाई गर्न सक्दैन. इफ सिगारेट युज गरिरहेछ भने त्यसलाई चाहिँ त्यो ह्याबिटलाई हटाउन सकिन्छ. डायबिटिज मेलाइटसलाई ट्रिट गर्न सकिन्छ. हाइपरटेन्सनलाई पनि ट्रिट गर्न सक्छ, तर हेरिडिटीलाई चाहिँ करेक्ट गर्न सकिँदैन. क्वेशन नम्बर 96. मेडिकल ट्रिटमेन्ट अफ कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजिज इन्क्लुड विच अफ द फलोइङ प्रोसिड्युर्स? ऑप्शन ए, कार्डियक कैथेटराइजेशन. ऑप्शन बी, कोरोनरी आर्टरी बाईपास सर्जरी. ऑप्शन सी, ओरल मेडिकेशन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. एंड ऑप्शन डी, percutaneous drain luminal coronary angioplasty. The right answer is oral medication administration. Question number 97. Which of the following is the most common symptoms of myocardial infarction? Option A, chest pain, dyspnea, edema, palpitations. Chest pain is the most common symptoms of myocardial infarction. Option A, chest pain चाहिँ मेन हुन्छ यसको symptoms मा. Question number 98. After having an IV line in place for 72 hours, a patient complains of tenderness, burning and swelling. Assessment of IV site is reports that it is warm and erythematous. This usually indicates option A, infection, option B, infiltration, option C, phlebitis and option D, bleeding. This is the condition of phlebitis. Option C the right answer. Phlebitis को symptoms हरु छ tenderness, burning and swelling. Question number 99. A female client with a urinary tract infection is prescribed cotrimoxazole. Nurse Dolly should provide which medical instruction? Option A, take the medications with food. Option B, drink at least 8 glasses of fluid daily. Option C, avoid taking antacids during cotrimoxazole therapy. And option D, don't be afraid to go out in the sun. यसको राइट आन्सर हुन्छ ऑप्शन बी, ड्रिंक एट लिस्ट 8 glasses of fluid daily. Question number 100. When a female client with an indwelling urinary Foley catheter insists on walking to the hospital lobby to visit with the family members, Nurse Rosa teaches how to do this without compromising the catheter. Which client action indicate an accurate understanding of this information? Option A, the client sets the drainage bag on the floor while sitting down. Option B, the client keeps the drainage bag below the bladder at all times. Option C, the client clamps the catheter drainage tubings while visiting with the family. And option D, the client loops the drainage tubing below its point of entry into the drainage bag. इसको राइट आन्सर हुन्छ द क्लाइंट कीप्स द ड्रेनेज बैग बिलो द ब्लैडर एट ऑल टाइम्स. ऑप्शन बी द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 101. द फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म शो इन ब्लूप्रिंट depicting formal relationship, functions and activities of the celled employed is called. Option A, policy. Option B, procedure. Option C, organogram. And option D, record. Blueprint is a organogram. Option C is the right answer. Question number 102. Total members of International Council of Nurse ICN is option A 135, option B 120, option C 86 and option D 78. Total member of International Council of Nurse is 135. Question number 103. Program is option A comprehensive plan that includes future use of resources in an integrated pattern. Option B, prescribed manner for performing given task. Option C, Series right make of established way of performing work. And option D, general statement which guide a manager. Program is a comprehensive plan that includes the future use of resources in an integrated pattern. Option is right answer. Question number 104. Statement of the end result which the management wishes the organizations to achieve. Option A, objectives. Option B, policy. Option C, plan. And option D, program. A statement of the end result which the management wishes the organizations to achieve objectives. Option A is right answer. Question number 105. Plan for allocation of resources on the basis of forecasted need for proposed activities over a specific period of time is. Option A, budget. Option B, capital. Option C, cost. And option D, salary. This is budget. Option A is right answer. Question number 106. Strategies are. Option A, broad descriptions of a course of action. Option B, general statement. Option C, standing plan. And option D, statement of the end results. यसको राइट आन्सर हुन्छ अप्सन ए, स्ट्राटेजिज आर ब्रोड डिस्क्रिप्सन्स अफ द कोर्स अफ एक्सन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. Following are the components of management except. Option A, personal management. Option B, controlling. Option C, prescribing dietary intake. And option D, logistic supplies. The right answer is option C. Question number 108. Program can be best solved by. Option A, vertical thinking. Option B, creative thinking. Option C, lecture thinking. And option D, none. Problem can be solved by creative thinking. Option B is the right answer. Question number 109. When misunderstanding arises between two individuals, it is termed as. Option A, intergroup conflict. Option B, intrapersonal conflict. Option C, interpersonal conflict. And option D, intra-group conflict. The conflict between two groups is called intergroup conflict. The conflict within two individuals is called intrapersonal. And conflict between two individuals is interpersonal. Conflict within two groups is called intra-group. यहाँ दिएको छ misunderstanding अथवा conflict arise between two individuals. That means interpersonal conflict. Option C is right answer. Question number 110. Organogram and job descriptions are the components of. Option A, leading. Option B, controlling. Option C, planning. And option D, organizing. Organogram and job descriptions are the component of organizing. Option D is right answer. When was the Nepal Nursing Council established? Option A, 2053 BS. Option B, 2018 BS. Option C, 2047 BS. Option D, 2052 BS. 2053 मा इस्टाब्लिश भएको थियो नेपाल नर्सिङ काउन्सिल. Option A is right answer. Question number 112. Helping nurse to update their professional knowledge and skills is one of the aim of. Option A, motivation. Option B, staff structure. Option C, in-service education. And option D, none. This is in-service education. Option C is right answer. Question number 113. Following are some functions of directing except. Option A, communication. Option B, leadership. Option C, motivation. And option D, programming. So function of directing हुन्छ supervision, motivation, communication, leadership, activity. यसमा चाहिँ प्रोग्रामिङ आउँदैन. So the right answer is option D, programming. Question number 114. An adult is admitted through the outpatient department for elective surgery today. The client is coughing and sneezing and has a temperature of 100.6 degrees Fahrenheit. What should the nurse do next? Option A, prepare the client for surgery as scheduled. Option B, explain to the client that a cold increases risk during surgery and ask if she is willing to assume those risks. Option C, call the physicians before continuing preparations for a surgery. And option D, ask what type of anesthesia the client is receiving. यस्तो टाइपको सिम्टम्स आएको छ बिफोर सर्जरी भने फर्स्टमा प्रिपरेसन गर्नुभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ डक्टरसँग सल्लाह लिनुपर्छ. सो द अप्सन सी द राइट एन्सर, कल द फिजिशियन्स बिफोर कन्टिन्युङ प्रिपरेसन फर सर्जरी. क्वेसन नम्बर 115. An adult come to the physician's office with a history of a headache yesterday and today and pain in the back. The nurse observes a horizontal band of postural rashes on the back extending from the spine to midline in the front. The client described it as a very painful. So what would the nurse expect to be prescribed for this client? Option A, antiviral. Option B, antibiotics. Option C, topical hydrocortisone. And option D, Benadryl. Option C, topical hydrocortisone चाहिँ प्रिस्क्राइब गर्नुपर्छ. Question number 116. A cooling blanket is ordered for an adult who has a temperature of 106 degree Fahrenheit, 41.5 degree Celsius. Which nursing action is appropriate? Option A, place a sheet over the cooling blanket before putting the client on the blanket. Option C, maintain the client in a supine positions on the blanket. Option C, apply powders to the skin that is in contact with the blanket. Option D, turn the client every 10 minutes and assess for frostbite. The right answer is option A. Place the sheet over the cooling blanket before putting the client on the blanket. Question number 117. What steps would you take to control bleeding from a nosebleed? Option A, sit causality down, lean forward and pinch soft part of the nose. Soft हुन्छ यहाँ. Option B, sit causality down, lean forward and pinch soft part of the nose. Option C, lie causality down and pinch soft part of the nose. Option D, lie causality down and pinch top of nose. Option A is right answer. फर्स्टमा चाहिँ क्लाइन्टलाई बसाउनुपर्छ, त्यसपछि फरवर्ड गर्नुपर्छ एन्ड सोर्ट पार्ट अफ द नोजलाई चाहिँ पिन्च गर्नुपर्छ. यसबाट के हुन्छ? ब्लिडिङ स्टप हुन्छ. क्वेसन नम्बर 118. वाट इज एन ओपन फ्र्याक्चर? Option A, fracture in which the bone ends can move around. Option B, a fracture in which the bone is exposed as the skin is broken. Option C, a fracture which causes complications such as a fractural lungs. Option D, a fracture in which the bone bends and split. Open fracture means fracture in which the bone is exposed as the skin is broken. बाहिर चाहिँ यो स्किन भन्दा बाहिर चाहिँ देखिन्छ ओपन फ्र्याक्चरमा. क्वेसन नम्बर 119. What is faint? Option A, a response to fear. Option B, an unexpected collapse. Option C, a brief loss of consciousness. And option D, a sign of flu. Faint means a brief loss of consciousness. Option C is the right answer. Question number 120. In following, which disease is not transmitted mainly by the fecal-oral route? Option A, enteric fever. Option B, measles. Option C, cholera. And option D, hepatitis. The right answer is option B, measles. Measles is transmitted by coughing and sneezing, not by fecal-oral route. Question 121. What is the most common cause of death due to diarrhea? Option A, vomiting. Option B, dehydration. Option C, abdominal pain. And option D, lethargy. डिहाइड्रेसनबाट चाहिँ डेथ हुन्छ इफ डायरिया लागेको छ, क्रोनिक फिक्समा गएको छ भने, फ्लुइड लस भएर. क्वेसन नम्बर 122. हेलुसिनेसन इज अ डिसअर्डर अफ. ऑप्शन ए, perception. Option B, consciousness. Option C, memory. And option D, thought. The right answer is option A, perception. Hallucination is a false perception in which the sense organ perceive in the absence of stimuli. There are 5 sense organs, so hallucinations can be classified into the 5 types: visual hallucination, auditory hallucination, olfactory hallucination, gustatory hallucination, and tactile hallucination. Visual hallucination means related to vision. Auditory hallucination means related to hearing. Olfactory hallucination means related to smell. Gustatory hallucination means related to taste. And tactile hallucination means related to touch. The most common hallucination in schizophrenia is auditory hallucination. Question number 123. The well-known Alma Ata conference was held in option A 1976, option B 1978, option C 1980, option D 1982. The well-known Alma Ata conference was held in 1978. Option B is right answer. Question number 124. Staff nurse is recruited to option A health post, sub health post, PHC, and all of the above. PHC मा हुन्छ. Option C is right answer. Staff nurse PHC मा हुन्छ, एउटा हुन्छ, health post मा, sub health post मा हुँदैन. Question number 125. Which of the following are the principles of primary health care? Option A intersectoral coordination, option B community participation, option C equitable distributions and appropriate technique, and option D all. यो सबै चाहिँ PHC को प्रिन्सिपल छ, so the right answer is option D. Question number 126. ... falls under the promotive health service. Option A health education and information, option B nutrition, option C environmental health, and option D all. All are the promotive health service. Option D. Question number 127. Yearly diagnosis and treatment is option A primary level of prevention, secondary level of prevention, tertiary level of prevention, and option D specific protection. Yearly diagnosis and treatment is secondary level of prevention. Option B is right answer. Question number 128. Any loss abnormalities of psychological, physiological, anatomical structures of the function is called option A disability, option B handicap, option C impairment, and option D all of the above. Any loss abnormality of psychological, physiological, anatomical structures of the function is a disability. Option A is right answer. Question number 129. Immunization is option A specific protection, option B primary level of prevention, option C secondary level of prevention, and option D tertiary level of prevention. यो चाहिँ प्रिभेन्सन च्याप्टरबाट दिएको छ. प्रिभेन्सन 4 किसिमको हुन्छ: प्रिमोडियल, प्राइमरी, सेकेन्डरी एन्ड टर्सरी प्रिभेन्सन. प्रिमोडियलमा इमर्जेन्सको कुराहरू आउँछ. प्राइमरी प्रिभेन्सनमा दुईटा हुन्छ: स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्सन्स एन्ड प्रोमोटिभ हेल्थ केयर आउँछ. स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्सनमा इम्युनाइजेसन आउँछ. त्यही भएर यहाँ चाहिँ यसको आन्सर अप्सन ए हुन्छ, स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्सन. प्राइमरी लेभल अफ प्रिभेन्सन पनि हुन सक्छ तर स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्सन नदिएको खण्डमा, किनभने प्राइमरी प्रिभेन्सनको टाइपमा आउँछ स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्सन. अर्को सेकेन्डरी लेभल अफ प्रिभेन्सनमा इयरली डायग्नोसिस एन्ड ट्रिटमेन्ट आउँछ. टर्सरी लेभल अफ प्रिभेन्सनमा रिहेबिलिटेसन, डिसेबिलिटी, ह्यान्डिक्याप, इम्पेयरमेन्टहरू चाहिँ आउँछ यसमा. क्वेसन नम्बर 130. द रोल अफ स्टाफ नर्स इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट हस्पिटल इज ऑप्शन ए प्रोवाइड डाइरेक्ट नर्सिङ केयर टु पेशेन्ट, option B supervise NM and co-workers, option C give health education to patient visitors, and option D all of the above. The right answer is D. यो सबै चाहिँ स्टाफ नर्सको रोल हुन्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हस्पिटलमा. क्वेसन नम्बर 131. द प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेन्टर देयर आर option A 2 बेड भनेको 1 इमर्जेन्सी एन्ड 1 मेटर्निटी, option B 3 बेड 1 इमर्जेन्सी एन्ड 2 मेटर्निटी, option C 3 beds 2 emergency and 1 maternity, and option D 4 beds to emergency and to maternity. PHC मा 3 वटा बेड राखेको हुन्छ, 2टा इमर्जेन्सी को लागि र एउटा मेटर्निटी को लागि. Question number 132. Tertiary level care is provided by option A central level hospital, option B regional hospital, option C zonal hospital and option D district hospital. Tertiary level care is provided by central level hospital. Question number 133. The main responsibility of a health post is option A preventive, promotive, curative, all of the above. हेल्थ पोस्ट को यो सबै रिस्पोन्सिबिलिटी हुन्छ, प्रिभेन्टिभ, प्रोमोटिभ एन्ड क्युरेटिभ. सो अप्सन डी. क्वेसन नम्बर 134. Which is the most suitable level of prevention to prevent cancer mortality? Option A specific protection, option B primordial prevention, option C early diagnosis and treatment and option D health promotion. यो भनेको सेकेन्डरी प्रिभेन्सनमा जान्छ. सो इयरली डायग्नोसिस एन्ड ट्रिटमेन्ट चाहिँ चाहिन्छ. क्वेसन नम्बर 135. बीर हस्पिटल वाज इस्टाब्लिश्ड इन option A 1945 BS, option B 1947 BS, option C 1948 BS and option D 1950 BS. 1947 BS मा बीर हस्पिटल को स्थापना भएको थियो. क्वेसन नम्बर 136. Which of the following is a tertiary level of prevention? Option A chemoprophylaxis, option B early diagnosis and treatment, option C health promotion and option D rehabilitation. Chemoprophylaxis primary level of prevention मा आउँछ, early diagnosis and treatment secondary prevention मा आउँछ, health promotion पनि primary prevention मा आउँछ र rehabilitation tertiary level मा आउँछ. So right answer is option D. Question number 137. The main focal point of primary health care should be at option A national level, option B sub health post level, option C district and option D hospital level. Primary health care ले sub health post level मा चाहिँ बडी चाहिँ फोकस गरेको हुन्छ, फोकल पॉइंट हो इसको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 138. CMA stand for option A Community of Medical Association, option B Chairman of Medical Association, option C and option D Community of Medical Association. CMA stand for Community Medical Assistant. Option C is the right answer. Question number 139. Main feature of primary health care except option A physical mediated, option B universal accepted, option C acceptability and option D essential health care. Physical mediated, option A is right answer. Question number 140. Which of the following is a tertiary level of prevention? Option A specific protection, option B disability limitation, option C early diagnosis and treatment and option D health promotion. A specific protection is the primary level of prevention. Disability limitation is the tertiary level of prevention. Early diagnosis and treatment is the secondary level of prevention and health promotion is also a primary level of prevention. Disability limitation, option B is the right answer. Question number 141. Primary health care include option A 5 elements, option B 10 elements, option C 10 points and option D 5 components. Primary health care include 10 elements. Option B is the right answer. Question number 142. A person having flattened facial profile and nose, short neck is admitted to the hospital. Which diagnosis will be written in the case file? यहाँ ही है ना B हुन्छ. Option A marasmus, option B kwashiorkor, option C Down syndrome and option D underweight. Marasmus भनेको हुन्छ deficiency of protein, kwashiorkor is the deficiency of carbohydrate and energy. र यहाँ दिएको सिम्पटम्सहरु चाहिँ हामीले पाउँछौं Down syndrome मा. Option C is the right answer. Down syndrome means A condition in which a person has an extra chromosome. Question number 143. If the neonate is unable to pass the meconium after 48 hours following the delivery, then this condition is termed as option A. Interception, option B. Hirschsprung's disease, option C. Meconium aspiration syndrome, and option D. None. If the neonate is unable to pass the meconium after 48 hours, this condition is known as Hirschsprung's disease. Option B is the right answer. Question number 144. Which of the following activities a child can do at the age of 12 to 15 months? Option A. Sit, option B. Stand, and option D. Ride tricycle. Stand गर्न सक्छ यो एजको बेबीले. Question number 145. A preemie mother is feeding her 2-month-old baby. A nurse instructs her about the child positions after feeding. A mother positions her baby to sleep on option A. left side, option B. right side, option C. supine, and option D. prone. After feeding, right side position maintain गर्नुपर्छ बेबीको. Option B is right answer. Question number 146. In a case of hepatic immaturity, the jaundice diet appears 32 hours after birth. It comes under option A. pathological jaundice, option B. physiological jaundice, option C. obstructive jaundice, option D. retention jaundice. It is a physiological jaundice. Option B is the right answer. Question number 147. A child is admitted with a severe dehydration. What is the choice of a rehydration therapy? Option A. fruit juice, option B. oral rehydration solution, option C. intravenous fluid, and option D. all of the above. Severe dehydration भएको छ भने intravenous fluid दिनुपर्छ. Option C is right answer. Question number 148. The nurse is planning care for an 8-year child. Which of the following should be included in the plan of care? Option A. encourage child to engage in activities in the playroom. Option B. promote independence in activities of a daily living. Option C. talk with the child and to express his opinions. Option D. provide frequent reassurance. 8 years child छ भने चाइल्डलाई एक्टिभिटिजमा लगाउनु पर्छ. Option is the right answer. Encourage child to engage in activities in the playroom. Question number 149. Primary teeth appear between ... and ... month. Option A. 6 to 20, option B. 6 to 24, option C. 8 to 30, and option D. 1 to 27. Primary teeth appear between 6 and 24 months. Question number 150, and this is the last questions of set 14. Which is the risk factors of hypothermia? Option A. ARI, option B. premature, option C. congenital anomalies, and option D. diarrheal disease. Premature is the risk factors of hypothermia. Thank you so much and all the best to all.